How to enable Adhan notifications on Muslim Pro. 1. Open the Muslim Pro application. 2. Select Profile. 3. Select the icon as in the video. 4. Select Push Notifications. 5. Select Adhan Notifications. 6. Select Turn on all notifications as in the video. 7. If it appears like this, you select Continue. 8. Select Show Notifications On. Success, your Adhan notification is on. Don't forget to like and subscribe.